Alright, so here's just a quick video on how to create the automation so it automatically crops the designs for you. So to do this, just grab literally any design. I just have this one here. So I'm just drag it in, and we're gonna just check, put it in here, and then hide the background. So we're just gonna just have a design in here. Next, we're going to need to open our action panel. So we're going to go to Window, Actions, and then in Actions, we're going to go to this plus button down here. So you can name it like trim, whatever you want to name it. Just name it something you'll remember. You can find here in a second. I'm just going to name mine like test 222 because I've already have this action for me. So we're going to name it, and then I'm going to click the record button. And now it's recording the actions that we take. So from here, we're going to just click image, trim, and then based on transparent pixels, and then trim away top, bottom, left, right. If you don't see this option up here, it's most likely because you did not hide the background. So just make sure the background is hidden. And then we're going to click OK. And as you can see, this now cropped here. And now we can click this stop button. So the square, we'll click that. And that is going to stop the action. Next, we're going to click File, Automate, create droplet, and you just pick where you want to save your droplet. I'm just going to save it in this random folder for right now, but or can you save it just in some folder on your desktop, and then it's going to ask what action do you want to play. So select the action. So this is the one I just created, test 222, so it'll probably have the most recent one in here. If you don't see it, you can probably just find it in here somewhere. So if you named it like test whatever, trim dead space, then you'll be able to just easily find your action. So just select your action here that you just made, and then we're just going to click OK. As long as this says save and close and this says log errors to file, we're all good. And now what you should see is a droplet. So you can see this is the one I just created, the test 22111. And now what this droplet you just created, when you drag files over it, let's see, I'm going to duplicate this. When you drag files over it, so like this one right here, what should happen is it should open Photoshop, it should run the automation that we just did, and it'll crop the design for us. So if I minimize this, you can see now it is cropped, whereas like the original one has all that dead space around it. So that's how we create our droplet.